You know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What's good, baby? Still James, nigga. A-Fan representing, nigga, all day. Nigga born up here, Fitchburg, Mass. Throwing it up. Came through, holla at your boys, man. I'ma hit them like this, B. Hey, yo. Talking about money, homie, I ain't seen none yet. Shit got your boy walking around fully armored down with a tech. It's on now, I demand my respect. I ain't the man, homie, you can get checked. And I ain't talking about niggas seeing you, I'm talking $150 your neck. If you're fan with you, we can make it a fest. Tech shells diminish your vortex. Y'all fucking with cheats is not recommended like raw sex. Just grab a 12-pack of dumbs in your whore's necks. I ain't worried about for laws of fusing checks. Trying to school you to the rules and keep using check. If you lose your mind, I noose your neck. Shit on you dudes and won't lose no sweat. My bullets enter you pussies, call them Kotex. Young Theo, y'all second the notion I'm the best. Spitting that potion. I got more too. Yeah, man. Hey yo, listen. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Y'all doing what to who? Nigga, I wish you would. Deep in your heart, dog, you wish you could. But you can't, so you sit back in push mode just like you should. Paper heart vest made out of wood. I'm in push mode, player, everything all good. Had to pay for it though, seems everybody wants something for free. Not even Mr. Toilet getting shit out of me. Niggas try to tell me what I should be. Get me mine, too hot, best to get me signed. Eyes on a different grind. On the court, I don't ride the pine. And Sal told me heat on the soul grind. So clap for me one time, wind blows the chime, my flow blows your mind, Sprite, I twist your lemon, Porter Rocks, Brooklyn Rebel, Engineer E, check my levels. And I still got some more. I can spit some more shit for y'all niggas. Hit them like this, look. Hit them like this. Eastside, Bay State, M.A. nigga. Blade sharp, bird cage your face, little nigga. Blood on the parquet, all on the ball day, so suave before I slam dunk your ass. Back of the Cadillac, black trash bag your ass. You trip, I laugh, and click clock this cash. Your chickens on TikTok before I smash. Do it for laughs, the truest and mass. Influenced by bag, created my own swag.
Get your verses.
Get them.
Mass Appeal TV.
Mass Appeal TV. Get your verses right, nigga. A-Fan representing, nigga. All day. Come see me. We what? 159 Blossom. Holla at your boy, nigga.